Hey guys, Top Shelf TTMs here. TTM Mailday for April 2nd, 2012. 3-package Mailday, 1 success, 1 failure, and a YouTube contest winning. First, a failure coming in from the Jorge Posada Foundation. I wrote them a letter saying, I give them a donation in exchange for autograph, blah, 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 because on their website, it said stuff about getting tickets and autographs and things like that, and then they sent me this letter basically saying right there, the foundation does not accept autograph requests. We appreciate your request, and we are so sorry we are unable to fulfill it. And this is obviously just some sort of form letter, because right here it says, we wish you much luck with your event. I'm not even having an event, so don't really know what they're talking about there. I'll try sending to him at his house. That obviously didn't work. So that's that. Alright, next one is contest winning here from Autograph Signature Info. I always say that. It's not Autograph Signature Info, it's Auto Signature Info. Subscribe to this guy if you're not. Chris, he makes great videos. They're all short. If you don't like long videos, they're all under a minute. But he's doing a lot of stuff, especially if you're a Yankees or Mets fan. He's doing a whole New York project right now. But he had a contest. I won this signed card here of Rob Barajas, which is pretty cool because I don't have him. Anyway, he was giving away stuff if you could guess who the person is with the most autographs in his collection. He was going to give away a Hall of Fame autograph, which I guess nobody won because nobody guessed the second part correctly. So he said he was going to have another another contest where he was going to give that away. So if you're not subscribed to him, you need to, just because the videos are great, especially if you're a baseball fan, and who doesn't want free stuff? So, get free autographs for doing that. So his link will be below. Make sure you subscribe to him. Finally, the lone success for today, Monday, kind of stunk. I was expecting a lot more, and it didn't happen. Phoenix, Arizona, 1 of 1 in 39 days from the Reds spring training. Chris Heisey signed the 2011 Topps card in a black Sharpie. Very nicely signed. Happy with that success being a Reds fan. So was hoping to get more. Hopefully the spring training stuff starts rolling in now because they're done. Hopefully they, finish signing and send their stuff back. But anyway, so 2 signatures in today. Not the best day for a Monday, but better than nothing. Hopefully catch you soon. See ya.